Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best hair color is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for men looking to discreetly and effectively reduce the appearance of gray hairs, offering a quick and convenient way to refresh their look without a trip to the salon, making it an essential tool for maintaining a youthful and confident appearance right from the comfort of your own home, promising natural-looking results that blend seamlessly with your existing hair color. Number 5. HerStyler Hair Repair Serum. Tired of frizzy and damaged hair? This amazing serum is your ultimate solution. It works wonders to restore your hair's natural beauty. Enriched with powerful argan oil, it deeply nourishes and repairs. This essential ingredient brings life back to dull strands. Achieve incredible shine and effortless styling with ease. It helps manage your hair, making it smooth and radiant. Its lightweight formula absorbs fast without any greasy feel. It deeply hydrates your hair, leaving it soft and supple. Experience visibly thicker and fuller hair over time. It revitalizes your scalp and strands for a healthier look. What we like. This serum is your go-to for taming unruly frizz and adding a brilliant shine to your hair. If you struggle with frizzy or dull hair, this lightweight, fast-absorbing formula will leave your locks looking smooth and vibrant. It's perfect for anyone seeking a quick and effective way to enhance their hair's natural luster and manageability. What people say. The comb-in application makes it easy to apply the color evenly. It effectively covers gray hairs for a natural look. Number 4. Mielle Organics Rosemary and Mint Edge Control Gel. Achieve flawless, long-lasting edges with this exceptional gel. It provides a strong hold, keeping your style perfectly in place throughout the day. Designed for both women and men, this versatile gel caters to diverse hair needs. It's the ideal solution for anyone seeking superior edge control. Infused with biotin, coconut, and babassu oil, it does more than just style. These natural ingredients work together to nourish your hair. Regular use helps encourage longer, healthier hair growth. It supports your hair's natural vitality, making it look and feel its best. Experience the perfect blend of style and care. This gel not only defines your look but also contributes to the overall health of your hair. What we like. This product excels at providing a strong, long-lasting hold for your edges. Infused with biotin, it not only styles but also encourages healthier hair growth. If you're looking for an edge control that truly stays put while nourishing your hair, this is an excellent choice for both men and women. What people say. Number 3. Just for Men Easy Comb-in Color Medium Brown A35. Are you ready to easily refresh your appearance? This product is designed to help you bring back your natural hair color with minimal effort. Say goodbye to messy preparations. Its innovative comb applicator allows for a quick and clean application directly to your hair. Achieve a perfectly natural medium brown shade. This specific formula, A35, ensures a consistent and authentic result every time. Crafted specifically for men, it provides reliable gray coverage. You'll enjoy a revitalized look that feels completely natural. Experience a hassle-free transformation in minutes. It's a convenient solution for maintaining your desired hair color at home. What we like. This dye offers incredible convenience with its easy comb-in, no-mix application. If you're new to hair coloring or prefer a hassle-free process for a natural medium brown look, this product is designed for you. It's ideal for achieving a consistent, natural-looking color without any complicated steps. What people say. Number 2. Just for Men Easy Comb-in Color Sandy Blonde A10. Tired of gray hairs? Want to bring back your youthful appearance? This product offers a simple solution to refresh your look. Forget complicated mixing. It features a unique comb applicator for a mess-free experience. Applying it is as easy as combing your hair. Achieve a natural-looking sandy blonde. This specific shade, A10, blends seamlessly with your existing hair color. It's designed to match and enhance. Specifically formulated for men, it targets grays effectively. This dye helps you maintain a confident and vibrant image. It's your secret to looking great. Everything you need is included in one convenient pack. You'll have all the tools for a successful application. Get ready to transform your hair at home. Experience the ease and effectiveness for yourself. It's time to say goodbye to grays and hello to a refreshed you. Try it today and see the difference. What we like. Similar to the previous one, this product provides an effortless comb-in and no-mess application. If you desire a natural sandy blonde shade with minimal effort, this is your perfect match. It's great for those who want to quickly and easily refresh their look with a lighter, subtle tone. What people say. Number 1. Just for Men Touch of Gray T45. Ready to enhance your look? This kit is specifically designed for men who want to subtly blend away gray, not eliminate it entirely. It helps you achieve a distinguished salt and pepper appearance. Applying it couldn't be simpler. The included comb applicator ensures a quick and mess-free process. You'll have it done in minutes, right at home. If you love the sophisticated salt and pepper style, this is for you. It targets only some of your gray hairs, creating a natural, blended effect. You'll look refreshed, not dyed. This particular shade, T45 Dark Brown, is ideal for those with darker hair. It seamlessly integrates with your natural color, providing a subtle enhancement. You'll love the depth it adds. Crafted with men in mind, this hair color kit is incredibly easy to use. It delivers professional-looking results without the hassle. Get ready to confidently showcase your best self. What we like. Unlike full-coverage dyes, this kit is specifically designed for a subtle gray blending effect. If you prefer a distinguished salt and pepper look rather than completely eliminating gray, this product is ideal. It's perfect for maintaining a natural appearance while reducing the amount of gray hair. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.